is gonna haunt Jason Terry forever.
Talk to me. What do you remember about that play? What do you remember about that moment?
I want to say it's one of the lowest moments in my career, but at the same time, I mean, I'll forever go down in history. Like, you got dunked on by the kid. It was a fast break, but what happened was I was coming down, I turned the ball over.
Okay.
So it's just instinct for me when you turn it over, I gotta get it back. So I'm chasing it. I mean, I might have chased their whole team and the coach, trying to get the ball back. I got Chalmers coming at me, and then LeBron's coming down the middle. Chase Chalmers, turned back around, and he was already in the air, like in slow motion. And what made me jump is what I'm trying to figure out. Like, hit the ground, man, and I didn't hop up quick. I laid there for a minute.
Jason Terry was just put to death. In fact, immediately after this dunk, not only was R.I.P. Terry trending worldwide, but fans also changed his Wikipedia page to say that he died.
For 3 weeks, I was checking my phone, and people were sending me messages, man, you okay? Like, numbers I haven't heard in 8 years, I'm seeing numbers pop up. Jet, are you good? Dead, big homie, you good? Like, I don't know what these people talking about. They even said in Wikipedia, they said that was my death date, and it had the date and everything on there. That's crazy, man.
Man, LeBron really taught this guy a lesson. But at number 5, Michael Jordan taught the entire league a lesson.